children, mother and father of all creation. Here, love is one and joy reigns two, bringing you another Ascension love sound to enjoy as you work on being in love at every moment, sending so much love out to you. Thank you all for showing up for love. Well, it got so hot last night, I swear, couldn't hardly breathe. Heat, lightning, burn the sky like alcohol. And I sat on the porch without my shoes, and I watched those cars roll by as the headlights raised the corner of the kitchen wall. Mama dear, your boy is here, far across the sea, waiting for that sacred chord that burns inside of me. And I feel that storm blowing warm, not 10 miles away, while approaching my Mexican home. My God, I cried so hot inside, I could die in that living room. Take the fan from the window, from the door, back it up with a broom. And the cuckoo clock cried a shot, and the cuckoo clock cried a shot, and the window felt no pain, and the air's still as the throttle of a funeral train. Oh, mama dear, your boy is here, far across the sea, waiting for that sacred chord that burns inside of me. And I feel the storm blowing warm, not 10 miles away, just approaching our Mexican home. Well, my father died on the porch outside on an August afternoon. I sipped bourbon and cried with a friend by the light of the moon. So it's hurry, hurry, step right up. It's a matter of life and death. Sun's going down and the moon, she was holding her breath. Mama dear, boy is here, far across the sea, waiting for that sacred chord that burns inside of me. And I feel the storm blowing warm, not 10 miles away, just approaching my Mexican home. Yeah, approaching my Mexican home. Just approaching my Mexican always staying human. Just keep pushing. We're bound to have little tips, little whips, little mistakes. Are always overridden by love. Thank you, beauties.